Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. In this AutoCAD 3D rendering video tutorial, we will learn how we can render a 3D house in night mode. In the process, we will know about the AutoCAD rendering settings, and you can download this 3D house for practice, link provided in the description section below. We are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 version for this tutorial. And if you guys want to create this 3D house using AutoCAD, then check the playlist, link provided in the I button. So this rendering is without any external light, and this one with external lights. I'll show you both the rendering settings. First of all, I'll erase these external lights. Then this view should be perspective, and you don't need to set any camera. You just have to orbit the 3D house by pressing and holding the scroll button of the mouse and moving it while pressing shift key in the keyboard, and set the view. It's completely up to you from which view you want to render the image. Now go to Visualize tab. Then the sky background and illumination should be on. Sun status should be turned on. Then click on this arrow. Scroll downwards and you can set your time from here. So if you want daylight rendering, you have to set daytime. For this tutorial, I am setting it to 8 in the evening. Then close it. Then set your rendering image size from here. I have set it to Full HD. You can choose whichever pixel size you want. Then set the image quality to high. So this is all about AutoCAD rendering settings in the night mode. Now just click on render. So this will take some time. It will depend upon what processor you have, what graphics you have, what is the RAM size. You can check best laptops for AutoCAD, links here in the I button. So once it is 100% done, click on save and then save wherever you want, in whichever format you want. As you can see, this is without any external light. Now I'll add a few external lights and then render the image again. And if you guys find it difficult to orbit the model, then change the visual style to conceptual or maybe to 2D wireframe. Now select spotlight from here. Take around 50 feet extension upwards from the endpoint snap as shown. Then click at this snap. Then click on intensity factor. Set it to 1000 and press enter twice to set the light. So set 4 lights at 4 corners. I'll 3D mirror the light. So select it, type 3DMI and press enter. We'll mirror it with respect to YZ plane. So click at this midpoint snap first. Click once towards Y and then click once towards Z and then press enter. So here it is. Then select both the spotlights, right click, repeat 3D mirror, click at this midpoint snap, click once towards X and once towards Z and then press enter to mirror. Now orbit the drawing. View should be perspective. Orbit the drawing according to your need. Change the visual style to realistic. Click on sun status to turn it on. Then you can change the time if you want. 10 PM maybe. Each and every setting will be same. So click on render to size. Now the 3D house is properly visible. I'll close this window. So this is what you get after you render the house with external lights. So this is all about AutoCAD rendering settings. So like, comment and share the video if you guys like it, so that I can bring more CAD videos like this. So this is it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.